Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Teach with Talks 123. Social Science 10th Standard Part 1 Most Important History 3rd Lesson. Already I done first and second lessons. Please check in my YouTube channel Teach with Talks 123. The third lesson Impact of the British Rule in India. MCQ questions and answers. Now, please subscribe my channel Teach with Talks 123. Even share to your friends to utilize this video for those who are writing for board exam. For them, this video. Now, first one question. Diwani Adalat in civil court was introduced by Warren Hastings is a correct answer. The Warren Hastings introduced the civil system in India. The civil system was introduced by one is Diwani Adalat, another one is Nizamat Adalat. Introduced two types of courts. Diwani Adalat is a civil court, another one Nizamat Adalat is a criminal court. Next, the second one, the person who created the post of Superintendent of Police in India was the person who created. See, the correct answer is C. Cornwallis. Cornwallis created the post of Superintendent Police. Even he introduced to police system in India. Police system in India. See, that's and special post was created that is known as a SP post. See, Lord Cornwallis implemented Superintendent of Police. Warren Hastings implemented the civil services in India. The two types of already I discussed Diwani Adalat, another one is Civil Adalat. Civil Thomas Munro to implemented Raitavari system. Lord William Bentinck implemented to give importance to education system and obliged to Sati system also when he was Governor General. And the one who facilitated the expansion of the modern education in India was modern education. Who gave to the importance to for modern education? The Lord Canning gave to important for the modern education. Lord Dalhousie implemented to introduce the implemented one policy doctrine of lapse ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬ ನೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತರ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾರನ್ ಹೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ನ್ವಾಲಿಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ and special superintendent of police also. Next, now fourth one, the British officer who introduced the administration of civil services in India was. Civil service system was introduced by, already we discussed, this is the Warren Hastings was the introduced civil services system. In civil services, two types are there. One is Diwani Adalat, another one is Nizamat Adalat. Now fifth one question. All the natives of Hindustan are completely corrupt. This statement was argued by. Who said this sentence? The answer is Cornwallis. He said he implemented the police system. The Indians were all taking the money for that purpose, and he created for the introduced to police system to provide security and to avoid the corruption. That's why he stated, he argued, all the natives of Hindustan are completely corrupted. This statement was given by Lord Cornwallis. Now, in 1773, the government of England implemented Regulating Act in India too. To first month option A, provide training for company employees, enforce control on company. Second month, enforce control on company employees, to make appointments for civil services, implement strong judiciary. The options B is the correct answer. To enforce control on company employees. The Regulating Act came to India 1773. Now to enforce the control. Now next, the system which was resigned to based on the recommendations of Field Commission was. Now, Field Commission was recommended for the military system. Option A is the right answer. Now, eighth one, the report which laid the strong foundation for the implementation of modern English education in India was. Which recommendation, which foundation was implemented for to create modern education in India? The Macaulay's report. The option C is the correct answers. The Macaulay report to recommendations to establish the modern education in India. To Indians need to modern education, science and technology. Now, ninth one question. The creation of new classes of Indians who are Indians by body put British in the intelligence, opinion and state it was the main aim of the. See, Jonathan Duncan report, Charles Grant report, Charles Wood commission, the Macaulay was given to the creation of new classes Indians who are Indians by body. The Indians by body but British intelligence, the opinion was state it was the main aim of the Macaulay report. He gave to report like that. Now another one last question in this video. A Fawzudari Adalat was. Fawzudari Adalat or Nizamat Adalat both are only same. The civil court, revenue court, criminal court, consumer court. The Fawzudari is known as a criminal court. Already we discussed about civil court. Civil court is a what type of court? You should comment on this answer. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you one and all who are watching my channel.